Florida civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Florida beginning at 1:25 p.m. and ending at 3:25 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Yaya Lewis, a black male, 8 years old, 4 feet 6 inches tall, 80 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 2600 block of University Boulevard North in Jacksonville, Florida. The child may be in the company of Terrell Lewis, a black male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, 150 pounds, blonde head and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2006 black Suzuki Forenza, Florida tag number 72 Babe. If located, do not approach. Contact law enforcement immediately. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office at 904-630-0050 or 911 # Flipper.